Hey everyone, this is Derek from Daily Crypto Trade Signals, come to you live from Asia, guys. We finally freaking did it, guys. Huge news. In case you've been sleeping under the rock, we finally got it. We finally got the Dogecoin ETF, the Osprey ETF went live yesterday. That is great news, guys. It means more eyeballs on the Doge. Also, the Osprey XRP ETF is gone live too, and it looks like the SEC has kind of like relaxed their regulations, so we could be seeing more ETFs coming out for crypto pretty soon. So that's freaking huge, guys. Freaking huge, guys. Don't forget to go down there, smash the likes like crazy. It looks like this. Smashy. Show that you're out there. Show the algorithm that you're a human being. You're actually watching this content. And guys, if you're watching in the live stream, don't forget to go and give a super thanks out there. And if you're watching this video after the live stream, go down there and give a heart mark, guys. It looks like that, and support the channel. We're trying to raise money for the charity. So far we raised like $250 so far. So and then once we get a certain threshold, then we'll be doing a live charity video like we used to do in the past, guys. Let's get the community fired up. Let's get things happening. Dogecoin to the freaking moon, XRP to the freaking moon. Let's freaking do it, guys. So finally we did it. Also, we're going to be talking about huge price prediction for Dogecoin. What's going on for Dogecoin in the next 2 weeks? So what does the setup look like? Where are we going to go? Are we going to break past 30 cents? Because I think for Dogecoin, if we can break past 30 cents, we will quickly go to 36 cents. Also for XRP, we're going to be talking about what's the price prediction for XRP in the next 2 weeks? Where could we see XRP going? Could we have the ultimate rally happening by the end of September, guys? So it's the 19th now, and we're getting pretty close to the end of September. And don't forget, we've got October coming soon. So a lot of good stuff happens in October. So don't forget to go back and watch all the other videos. Don't forget to share these videos. Don't forget to smash the likes. Don't forget to subscribe me. YB. So overall, we're seeing that Friday is a pretty ugly day out there. Everything is down. Down. Solana is down. BTC is down. Not looking good, right? Not looking good. Crypto bubbles, same. MXY, wow, it's like up and down. IMX is up, but not near protocol is up 6%. Pepe, everything is down. A little bit of profit taken. Bitcoin is still up on the weekly. Ethereum is down on the weekly. XRP is down on the weekly. XRP right now is 303. So we see that $3 level is holding pretty strong for XRP. So that is good. What's going on with Solana? 242. I like Solana. The Doge Wars are 27 cents. It's still up for the week, so that's not bad. Solana's up. BNB is up as well. BNB was up over $1,000 recently, but it's come down a little bit. So overall, yeah, it's a bit of a negative day out there. We're seeing the market cap, cap is at 4.06 trillion. Good. Altcoin season 73. Fear and greed for the whole crypto market is 52. We're seeing the RSI right now is almost neutral out there. That's okay. So that's okay. It's okay. Deep dive into what's going on with the Doge. Doge is at 27.23. That's down 3.29%. Volumes are also slow as well. So we kind of had like buy the news, buy the rumor, sell the news kind of situation, because everyone was anticipating something happening. But remember, when we had the first Bitcoin ETF, we had a little bit of a pump, buy the rumor, sell the news, and then it took a while. Before people started to buy and ape in to the Dogecoin ETF, and that same thing goes for XRP as well. But we're still going to be talking about a huge price prediction for XRP as well. We did hit a high of 312. Hello, $3.12. OG needs to be bonked on the head. Remember that? That was from Star Trek, right? Star Trek. What was the name of that? If anyone knows the Star Trek episode where they have these like kids that are like hundreds of years old, and then Captain Kirk beamed down and like bonk on the head, bonk on the head. What was that? I can't remember that. Mary, or I can't remember. Anyway, so we're seeing that XRP is also down as well. Volume is down 34%. So we're seeing volumes across the board down. Fear and greed for Bitcoin is at 53. Big announcements next week. We got GDP happening on Thursday, September 25th. Wednesday, nothing happening. Tuesday, nothing happening. Monday, nothing happening in terms of announcements. So the OG meme coin just got its very own ETF. We all know that, so that is pretty good. The first Dogecoin ETF started trading on Thursday, so that's yesterday. The meme token was a poster child of the pandemic trading frenzy. And it was up on Thursday, but now down 10% in 2025, and it's down 60% since it peaked in 2021. So it's still not recovered the all-time high. Remember the SNL days and Elon Musk and the craziness out there. Those crazy days have not come back. They have absolutely not come back. But I still think we could see Doge hitting $1. What do you guys think? Dogecoin to $1? What do you guys think? I think it's going to happen, guys. So hopefully this will allow more and more people coming in. And remember, the ticker symbol is DOGE. And remember, isn't the same as investing in Dogecoin itself, but the funds looks like it could track the Elon Musk endorsed meme coin pretty closely, with 60% of its existing funds currently invested in the token itself, and 38% invest in 21 shares, Dogecoin ETP. Okay, so remember that most of it is in Doge, but not all of it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. So yeah, looking pretty good. First ETF out there. In terms of the leverage, we've got right now about $146 million worth of longs got liquidated. Ethereum, Bitcoin, Doge is still up there. Doge liquidation longs about 8 million, shorts 2 million. Solana liquidations as well, but the big liquidations, of course, are Ethereum, Bitcoin, and this is others, probably like Pupushimata coins. Like, stay away from Pupushimata coins. Let's take a look at the charts. What's going on with the charts? Bitcoin, yeah, on a 4-hour, just going sideways like I predicted. Let's flip that to the daily. I don't think, nothing much is going to happen, guys. I don't think much is going to happen. I think we're just going to go sideways. And see, Bitcoin keeps bumping its head against this 2-year trend line. This is where the bulls and bears are fighting it out. And I did say that we're just going to meander sideways. And then in October, we're going to break through that, guys. So that's what I'm thinking. Let me just extend this. Or about right there, right? Yeah. So we're just going to keep bumping ourselves on this. And, before we can get Bitcoin up to 120, 130, 140, 150, 200, we need to break this trend line. This is a 2-year trend line, and this is mapping out all the previous all-time highs from previous years. So we need to get past that. Let's go on with the Doge right now. Doge, my Doge. So we still have this cup of handle in play. I still think that once we break past the 30-cent level, we will quickly regain ourselves, and we will quickly go up to like 41 cent, 42 cents. But I think we will quickly 30 cents, then 36 cents, 40 cents, easily coming in. Huge Dogecoin price prediction, guys. So let's look at what's going on for the news. So first, U.S. Dogecoin ETF launched, DOGE. We talked about that. 60% is Doge. The balance is 21 shares, right? Current resistance is 30 cents. Price has apparently tried to break past 30 cents, but sellers are defending that level. If Doge can't break through that, we could drop back down to 25, 23 cents. But if we can break past the 30-cent level, like I said, 36 cents is definitely coming. So in terms of institutional accumulation, we're seeing, despite the dips, big investors are still buying. The dips, bargain hunters are snapping up Dogecoin tokens, okay? We'll jump into that article in a minute. And mixed technical signals. Some indicators show bullish momentum from the ETF hype, but others warn of resistance risk. So we're kind of hitting that resistance, right? So breaking 29 cents will send Doge flying to 36 cents and even 45 cents. But we definitely need to hit 30 cents. I don't think it's 29 cents, Ali. I think it's 30 cents. That's what I'm thinking. So we had 10.3 million Doge whale withdrawal from Binance. So this was a huge whale account that was dormant for 2 years, and then they moved to Binance. Okay, so yeah, that's about 2.25 million on-chain alerts. So let me just blow this up so you can make it bigger. So according to on-chain, a whale dress reactivated after roughly 2 years of dormancy and withdrew 10.3 million Doge worth $2.25 million from Binance. Okay, it wasn't the OG, okay? It wasn't me. Again, I'm just telling you right now, it wasn't OG with a transaction link for verification on Arkham Intelligence Sources, Twitter.com. So basically, this guy, yeah, it's a striking development. 2.25 million from leading exchange by this event, highlighted by on-chain analyst expert on-chain lens on September 7th. Signals potential shifts in the market, guys. So, but Dogecoin whale activity is going up. You know, we're seeing more accumulation from institutions for Doge, so that's looking good out there. So what else is coming? Dogecoin bargain hunters snap up 680 million Doge, focus on Doge, BTC, and Fed rates. So we're still having people and institutions snapping up Dogecoin. So Dogecoin price drop has seen institutional investors snapping up millions of Dogecoins despite the sell-off, right? The anticipated approval for the first U.S. listed spot Dogecoin ETF, it's gone live. Nice. So yeah, I still think we're okay, guys. I think we're okay. And Dogecoin forward, don't regret not holding Dogecoin. Don't regret not buying more Dogecoin. Don't regret selling your Dogecoin. You know, we've had this accumulation here and here, and this is the final accumulation before we get this huge breakout, guys. I think it's going to happen. Just a minute, a time. So, XRP still above $3. Thank you very much. Looking very good from that perspective. We just have to keep on keeping on. So let's take a look at the prediction for XRP for the next 2 weeks. But before we do that, go down and check out my link to Blowfin, guys. Sign up. We got a trading bot out there. Yeah, do it. So if you take a look at this, XRP isn't kaput. Okay, it's loading. Pundit predicts XRP price could reach $10. So if you take a look at 2017 here, you can see that what we see now, let me get my face out of the way. Very similar pattern, right? Move up, accumulation, 2025, very similar pattern. Yeah, and then we can see the distribution. If that happens, we can see things going crazy, right? Yeah, I love to see that. So I love it. So XRP price prediction for today, tomorrow, and the next 2 weeks. So what are we going to see? So Ripple has always been a focal point for all crypto enthusiasts. To take note of, XRP has engaged as a leading asset. Okay, we know that. So let's take a look. XRP's price updates. What's new with the asset? So according to Rex Osprey, Justin Rex Osprey ETF is live. That is pretty good. And the XRP development consists of recently launched Rex Osprey XRP ETF, which has lately been helping XRP trend on popular radars. The ETF went live yesterday, and since then, it has amassed 24 million in trading volumes in a small span of 90 minutes, so that's pretty good. In addition to this, it has also recently joined hands with Ripple and launched new digital savings reward packed with XRP through XPI Holdings, so that's pretty good, right? What else is coming in? Moreover, Ripple CEO Brad Garlinghouse has shared new details on the upcoming XRP ETFs. The Ripple CEO shared how the ETFs have a high chance of being approved by the end of this year. So that is pretty good. More ETFs going to get approved by the end of this year. So that's fantastic, guys. So the assets price prediction for today, tomorrow, and the next 2 weeks. Per coin condex XRP data, Ripple may trade at $3.07 to $3.06 by September 19th and 20th, bang on, respectively. Shared XRP may fall back to $2.95 by September 28th. However, the token is expected to pick up pace by 5th of October and trading at 306 mark again. So the token may end 2025 on a positive note, soaring to hit above $3.40 by 2025. So according to XRP price prediction, the price of XRP is predicted to rise by 14 to 15% and reach $3.48 by December 18th. Per our technical indicators, the current sentiment bullish, while the fear and greed is showing 53 neutral. XRP recorded 13 out of 30, 43 green days with 3.35% price volatility over the last 40 days. So, huge price prediction. We're looking at $3.50 by the end of December. I love it. I like that. I like it. I like it. I'd like to see that. I'd like to see that out there. So, guys, yeah, what do you guys think? I think we'll see 45 cents for Dogecoin end of the year, $3.50 for XRP. So I love it. Huge price prediction, guys. So that's it. That's all I got. Hopefully it wasn't too boring. Go down there, smash the like, share this video, and subscribe. Why me? Trying to keep crypto fun, trying to keep crypto real, and trying to tell you what's going on, guys, out there. And to the wicked witch of Da Nang out there, all I gotta say is read between the lines. Yeah. I hate you. I really do. Okay, I'll see you in the freaking next one. I digress. Peace out. Peace out.